People are already starting to arrive for the 2170 International Cricket Cup and the Bollywood Film Festival. I will not host the Cricket Cup with the city like this.
Relax, Ria. I'm Patrick. I'm an engineer for the city. Before we do anything else, my wife loves your movies. Could you sign
Not
this?
now. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Sivani, an engineer in the private sector. We heard you have a few questions about the city's infrastructure.
A few questions? I'm freaking out because this city is a mess.
It's not a mess. Look at it.
Where?
Let's start at the very beginning.
A very good place to start.
It all started with a huge dengue fever epidemic in 2020 caused by poor waste disposal and treatment. City officials became determined to innovate what was Mumbai and received a United Nations development grant along with aid from local organizations and corporations. We used the engineering design process to find a solution.
Obviously, so it starts with identifying the problem, which was what? Waste and living conditions?
That's correct. The city required sanitary housing for their growing population, unlike the congested slums of the past, to prevent diseases from spreading like wildfire. And more importantly, Mumbai was in desperate need of innovation for more efficient and effective methods of dealing with waste, which had previously caused the dengue fever. Mumbai called some engineers and started the next step, research.
They looked into several current solutions and brainstormed possible innovations for those solutions to better fit Mumbai's needs. This is truly what allowed for the city to grow into what it is now, Thalika Mahara.
They made a design using ideas from all kinds of engineers before finally putting the plan into action, which was very expensive.
And they're still improving it today, testing and redesigning to make it better?
Yes, of course. There's always room for improvement.
And we're trying to get the word out. It works, and we're letting other cities know.
So, how do you know about the engineering design process?
I have a bachelor's degree in engineering. Don't stereotype me because of my job. I went to college in New Delhi.
Oh, their education system is actually very similar to ours.
Oh, that's good. I got really good individualized education, and I got to go to college, even though my family wasn't so well off. I even got to study both engineering and acting, which is really cool.
That's great.
Now, would you care to explain your waste management system?
Of course. Waste starts in pneumatic tubes designed by mechanical and civil engineers. These tubes use compressed air to take waste from buildings and on curbsides down to sorting centers.
These sorting centers use single-stream recycling and a series of sensors to separate waste depending on recyclability and other characteristics. Then it's put on our evacuated tube transportation, also known as the ETT. Waste that